Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep our chit-chat sessions to learn more about our feathered jewels. Left are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet which helps maintain the color cans. These birds have impressive oversized bills to reach fruits on thin branches. To your left, the birds of prey. Here, you will find the majestic Philippine eagle and strong beaks. Catch out the birds of prey in action at the Kings of the Sky show. These birds with huge beaks are the pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during the pelican chit-chat.
Everybody give it up for Susie, our American bald eagle. Give her a round of head. It can be found near bodies of water where she likes to find her favorite food, and that would be fish. So any fish nearing to the surface of the water, she'll come down from wild ospreys as well. By the way, folks, our Susie's already 18 years old, and it's time for her to head back. Hello, good morning to you. Now this Titan, everybody, can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They're the most numerous of all vulture species in the world, numbering way more than 10 million of them in the wild. So because of the huge number, they're known to be a small sixth of vulture species will follow suit. But let's take a very close look at. So whenever Belong is ready. Well done. Everyone, did you hear any sound at all coming up from the wings? Yes or no? No, the Belong is a Malay fish owl. The Malay fish owl can be found throughout for the middle section. Now 360 is not possible. Do you know why? Because that is a full circle, okay? Now you play around it. Would you want to come for the second one? There we go. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Everybody round of applause. Come on. Wow. 2 consecutive counts. Here we go. 1. Good. Let's continue recounting. How about the kite going? Oh, how about you? 2. We have 3 more to go. Wow, that was good. Number 3. So we have 2 more throws. Let me go to the kite right to the back. Oh, how about you? How was that? 4. Okay, so we have 1 last one. Let me change my angle. Okay, let me go right to the side. 1 more to go. Everybody, that was 5 out of 5. Amazing job by our brownie kites. They can be found through and South America. And right there, he will just overturn the rock. Look at that, finding food such as worms and insects. Very approaches hunters. You can see, very determined fellow. That was really good. A bit wobbly there. And how about the last one? Fantastic job. Well done, buddy. Yeah, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Wow, everybody, round of applause for a hawk, eagle, or vulture. What do you think?
It's a hawk.
Vulture, correct answer. Well done, Puja. Well, breaking juveniles heading south happened to lose their way and found themselves stranded across parts of Asia. Well, he happened to be one of them. Folks are quite tired and dehydrated, landed along the shopping districts of Orchard Road, and that was back in 2000. one vulture descends upon a carcass, more vultures will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, looks like we're now joined by a big group of vultures. Let me share with you who they are, okay? Starting the smaller grey ones, and those are the white-backed vultures. White-backed vultures can be found in Africa, just like hazel that we saw earlier. And the big brown ones right beside me too, now this is a cinereous vulture. Cinereous vulture can be found throughout Europe and Asia. It's a very common sight to see these vultures coexisting together, feeding on a huge carcass like that. Yeah, very sadly, the numbers of vultures are rapidly declining in the wild. Now, let me tell everybody here today why vultures are very important in the wild, okay? Now, they eat all the dead animals, correct? Now, dead stock, okay, that actually stop the spread of contagious diseases. So they're so crucial in the entire ecosystem and animal kingdom. But still, the numbers are not thriving at all. The numbers are actually dwindling down in the world. It's really sad. So we need to do our part, everybody, to save these vultures against extinction. And that brings me to a very good news to share with everybody. Since most of you are from India, thank you so much, everybody, and have a good bye. Kingdom, but still the numbers are not thriving at all. The numbers are actually dwindling down in the world. It's really sad. So we need to do our part, everybody, to save these vultures against extinction. And that brings me
found in jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, Gaia here is one of the 4 blue macaw species you can find in the world, right here in the bird park. We have 3 of them, so do visit them at the Parrot Paradise. Okay? And this would help them with digestions of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. But it looks like both birds are still right up here. But
if you were to give E.P. a plastic cup to drink from, he would not use that cup.
Plastic cup?
Yes.
Oh, something like this?
Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Single-use, disposable plastic cup. Okay, E.P., Lynn has given you this cup to drink from.
Oh, look at that! He's returning me the cup. Thank you, E.P.
Yeah.
Let me give this a try.
You don't believe me, huh? Okay, never mind. Everyone, look. E.P., cup with a plastic straw. See that?
Well, look at that. He's walking towards me and returning me the straw as well. Thank you very much, E.P.
Here we go.
Whoa, he did straight from the cup.
Good job.
Now, by the way, we have 2 of them this morning. Okay, there you go. We have 1 more coming out. Oh, there's 2 of them right there. Now, these are total to call him. Okay, he's a little bit distracted right there. What are you looking at? Huh? There you go. Good job. Okay, so these 2 birds, they have done a wonderful job this morning. And it's time for them to head back home. Now, they are very loyal to one another. So what I will be doing is I'm going to place them on the stump right here. There you go, guys. Come on. Okay, Mrs. Axel, can you please lead the way? Mrs. Axel, who is that way? Mr. Axel? Who wants to go first? Okay, Mrs. Axel, you follow. There you go. Total to cats, everyone. your video cameras ready, okay? Alright, so let's start with something simple first. How about a nice hello? Hello! Right, there you go, very nice and sweet hello. Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo! Did you catch that? One more time your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? Very polite but indeed. Not only that, Amigo is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect 10! Good job, Amigo. Well done. Oh, hi, Amigo. Now, Amigo here has kindly brought out Big John, our self-crested cockatoo. He is a veteran here at the bird show, and John is over 50 years old. Yes, John, you want to say something nice to everyone? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. That's not his hello. Let's try this one more time. You want to say hello. Hello. Okay, looks like he doesn't want to say anything at the moment, so we're just going to let him be. We are going to go back to Amigo right here, okay? So you heard Amigo count in English earlier. This time, he will count in Chinese. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tan Hao is very good in Chinese. Okay, looks like he wants some attention right now. Okay, he's grinning a little. You want to try again? Say hello. Hello. Say hello. I will hold the microphone for you, okay? Let's try another mimic. How about the cough? How do you cough? Wow, that was a really good cough. Let's try one more. How about the chicken? How do you do the chicken? Say chicken. How do you laugh? Which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Second song originated from Indonesia called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Okay, this time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat sudah jauh, sayang, sayang. Hey! Wasn't that a chirpy song? Finally, the last song is in English, but before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Let's start from the people on this side. Birthdays, we have 1, 2, okay, this young man right here as well, 3, okay, 4, anyone else? Okay, how about the last section, birthdays? Nobody? Okay, so for the 4 of you, 5. Okay, so for the 5 of you, Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the 5 of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Amigo here, he is 1 in a million. It takes a lot of years and dedication to do what he just did earlier. Imagine the nine hornbill. Good morning, Vicky. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky right here, they can be found in Asia. There you go. Vicky, the next box is to your right. You want to come along? Look at that cute dog. So what Vicky is doing right now is she's inspecting the nest. Go! There you go. Go! What happened there, Kaya? Okay. He goes. eagles. Would you look at that? Vega has done it. Can we give Vega another round? Bus are ready, let's go. Next stop to Eastern Europe, our Dalmatian pelicans. Come on, guys. Now, back to Africa. Flamingos. Hi with everyone, our grand finale offers. Can we give them a big hand?
காலேஜ் ட்ரெஸ் ஞாபகம் இல்லை ஸ்கூல் ட்ரெஸ் ஞாபகம்
India.